So here's how to add pre-order on Shopify store. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Shopify store account. Then you have to go to your dashboard. Once you are there in your dashboard, now here you have to go to this menu from the left and click on the apps. Now here you have to simply search for the pre-order. Once you hit on the search, now it will take you to the Shopify apps library. Now you will be able to view all of these apps. You have to simply select any of these apps to install to your Shopify store. Here I'm gonna click on this app to install. To add this app, I will simply click on the add option at the bottom of this. Once I clicked on it, now it will take me to this page where I simply click on the add option. Then after that, it will take me to this page where I will simply click on the install app option at the top right corner. Once I clicked on it, now it will be successfully installed to my Shopify store. So that's how to add pre-order onto your Shopify store.